Alright, so on these we're gonna find the how much money will you get in your account after 10 years. The first number that you're gonna enter here is gonna be the amount of money that you have currently, the principal, right? They call it the principal, which is always the money that you start with, right? And then we have a set of parentheses, right? Let me get a little eraser. And then you have a set of parentheses. You're gonna multiply the principal times 1 plus the rate, and then to the power of, usually it has a label t, like a variable t, for time. So if it's for 10 years, I'm gonna put a little 10 up there, right? And then for the next one, for the 25, we're gonna put 25 right here for the t, right? So t represents time in years. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the numbers, the variables. So P we said is 10,000, right? Because the guy got 10,000 from his uncle. And then we're gonna put 1 plus the rate. So the rate, notice how it's in percent. We have to convert it to decimal, right? So because it is, let me write it over here, 2.2%. The decimal, because 2 does not have a decimal, we add one at the end. We add one at the very end, like this. Right there, right? So whenever there's no decimal, it's always at the end after the number, and then we're gonna move it 2 places to the left, right? So it goes over here, and this gap we fill it in with a 0, right? That little gap. So the decimal is 0.02. Right, and then t, we said that the time is 10. Right, and then now I plug this into the calculator. Or you can do order operations first, right? Order operations, you have to add this. What's 1 plus 0.2? 1.02. So I'm running out of space. Let me see if I can move it. It's 1.02. Alright, so I moved it to the top. And then now if I do order operations, I'm going to get 1.02 to the power of 10. And then now this has to be done next with the exponent. And then that you need a calculator. But point being, when you plug this whole thing into the calculator, you're gonna get 12,189 point. And and 94 cents, I think it was 94 cents. So try the same thing for the next one, Sammy.